Okay, my friend, with this video, I will show you how you can make money with Maxbounty. Like you know, Maxbounty, you can make unlimited cash daily using this CPA network. I decided with this video to show you how exactly how to choose your product, and I will show you a top traffic source that really work with Maxbounty, traffic that you can get leads, guaranteed leads, and of course a commission daily. Okay, so first let's go here and searching for cash. So we will get some product here. Let's make this more target. So let's choose USA, and here let's choose surveys. Okay. Okay. Now we get some product here, some fantastic product that we can promote and get leads. For every leads, you can see this product, we will get $10 point 14 cent. This is a fantastic product, and a fantastic commission for every leads. And you can see here more product that you can use and promote and get a commission daily. Okay, so how to get traffic to this product and get leads. I will show you four secret traffic that you can use to promote your affiliate link and get leads. Very target traffic. Traffic source number one, you can see Advertiser. This is a target traffic. You can join for free and promote your affiliate link. This is a great traffic for Maxbounty, and the reason you can get very target traffic, very target niche, and very target country. So I recommend to use this website if you want to make money with CPA offers. Of course, with Maxbounty or Perfly, this is a fantastic traffic. Traffic source number two is Blast for traffic. This is also a fantastic traffic to promote your Maxbounty affiliate link. This traffic is a solo ad format. A solo ad, like you know, this is the best traffic because the members will get this email to their inbox, and this is a guaranteed leads and guaranteed traffic. So that's the reason I recommend to use Blast for traffic and get leads daily. Traffic source number three, also like you see, solo ads that work. This is a fantastic traffic to promote any affiliate link. You can use this traffic to promote ClickBank affiliate link, Warrior Plus affiliate link, and of course you can promote CPA offers like Maxbounty and Perfly and more network affiliate program. This is a fantastic traffic. You can get unlimited leads using this very cheap and target traffic. Traffic source number four is mix traffic. You can see you can send your solo ad to 1 million, guaranteed 2000 guaranteed clicks. Basically, you will get more 2000 clicks. And the reason this website will send your link, your solo ad to 1 million. Okay, this company will guaranteed 2000 guaranteed clicks, but from my experience, you will get more 2000 clicks, and you will get unlimited leads and unlimited signups to your Maxbounty affiliate link. I hope you like this video. I hope you will succeed online. If you need any help, please type your comment or your question below this video. Thank you again for watching this video. Please subscribe to my channel for more videos. Thank you again, and have a good day. Thank you very much.